Which planet is closest to the Sun? Option A, Mercury. Option B, Venus. Option C, Earth. Option D, Mars. Correct answer is Option A, Mercury. What is the world's largest ocean? Option A, Atlantic Ocean. Option B, Indian Ocean. Option C, Pacific Ocean. Option D, Arctic Ocean. Correct answer is Option C, Pacific Ocean. Which country invented paper? Option A, Egypt. Option B, Greece. Option C, China. Option D, India. Correct answer is Option C, China. Which is the smallest country in the world by area? Option A, Monaco. Option B, Vatican City. Option C, San Marino. Option D, Liechtenstein. Correct answer is Option B, Vatican City. How many continents are there on Earth? Option A, 5. Option B, 6. Option C, 7. Option D, 8. Correct answer is Option C, 7.